Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the third grade concept of summarizing data. This is standard 3.8a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 12 off the Redesign Practice Online STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a data set here. Tyler keeping a record of how many eggs he collected for each of 14 days. You notice your answer selections scroll down. So make sure when you are taking the online STAAR test, if you see a little scroll bar over here on the side, you scroll all the way down to make sure you look at all 4 answer selections. But you know what? This data set here is all kind of messed up. So let's do this. Let's open up our graph and our draw tool. Let's expand it. I'm going to change the transparency so I can see a little bit more of the problem. There we go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make my own little frequency table here. And it looks like the range. Look at all of these line plots or these dot plots here. They go from 5 to 15. Okay, so I'm going to make a range from 5 to 15. And so let me just do that over here on the side. 5. Because what we need to do is we need to figure out how many of each number we have, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, I ran out of room. Let's just do 14 and 15 up here. It's going to look a little bit strange, but we'll figure it out. All right, and what we need to do is we just need to cross these off one at a time. This is where it gets really tricky, because if you try to just eyeball it, or if you go too fast, you miss up one of these, and you're kind of in trouble. All right, so 12, 5, 13, 8, 6, 10, 12, another 6. All right, looks like there's 3 6s. 8. Oh, another 6. Okay, so that's going to be helpful, is all those 6s. All right, 14. All right, so if we wanted to, right, we could actually put some numbers next to it, or we could just keep the tally marks, right? But we could say there's 1, 4, 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1. Just depends on whether or not you want to just use the tally marks or whether you actually want to make a full frequency table. Let's make that 0 because that's how many we have. All right. So here is the interesting thing, right? The second that we kind of shrink that down, you notice that we kind of lost it because it went over to the side. So what we need to do here is we can kind of drag it. You know, look at this. See how I'm dragging it off the screen? I'm going to drag it over here so I can see it. But I want to be able to see what's underneath it. And I want to honestly be able to access my scroll bar so I can scroll underneath. So that's what I'm going to do. So I kind of resized it. So now we can look at what's underneath, okay? So let me shift this over here so it's off to the side. All right, we're ready to go. Look at A. No, A just has 1 dot for each number that is represented. But look, I need 4 dots for 6. I need 2 dots for 8 and 12 and 14. So no on A. B. 1, 5. Oh, look, 6 has got 3. 6 should have 4, so no on B. Okay, C looks a little bit better. 1, 5, yes. 4, 6, yes. 1, 7, 2 8s, no 9s. 1, 10, 2 12s, 1 13, 2 14s. Okay, C looks good. Let's just scroll down and verify what's wrong with D. Because I've got the 1, 5, I've got the 4 6s, 1 7, 2 8s, yes, 9, yep. Oh, look, it's got 2 11s. But I don't have any 11s. All right, so my answer here is C.